try before you buy. It's the standard for evaluating heavy industrial welding systems. At ESAB, we simplify this complex process. Meet Demo Box, a complete customized welding system delivered to your facility. Think of Demo Box as your personal shopping cart. After confirming your specific needs, an application engineer will select the correct power source, feeder, and every required component. Absolutely everything you need, right down to extra contact tips and PPE, goes into Demo Box. The box then goes into our lab where we assemble, update, test, and weld with your actual system. When Demo Box arrives at your facility, all you need to do is wire a plug and connect the system. You can have full confidence that your ESAB heavy industrial system is perfectly ready for your evaluation. ESAB Demo Box, ready to weld when you are. To coordinate a Demo Box delivery, contact your ESAB sales representative or visit esab.com/heavyindustrial.